Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the beside questions and English workshop. Beside questions and English workshop. Now see beside questions and also we are discuss about the poetic devices means figure of speech. See first we are going to discuss poetic devices means figure of speech. Out of the night that covers me. Out of the night that covers me. First line of the poem that tells us about the metaphor. Because poet here compare his hardship of life to the darkness of night. Darkness of night. Okay. It is the first figure. Then black as the peat from pole to pole. This is the figure of speech related to because here use the as. Means when we are using as or like that time this figure of speech is related to simile. Means poet compare his life with the long means that long distance means pole to pole. Understood? Which is very long, the center of the earth. The next figure of speech is next figure of speech is see in the fell clutch of circumstance. In the fell clutch of circumstance. This figure of speech is personification. This figure of speech is personification. Okay. Means this tells us about the this figure of speech tells us about the personified the wicked trap of life. Wicked trap of life. Okay, wicked trap of life. Then next figure of speech is see it is really under the beginning of chance. Under the beginning of chance. This line also related to personification. Means fate, luck. Okay, means that personified the violent. Okay, violent incident of life. Violent incident of life. Then next figure of speech is it is last line see. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Means here repetition of I am, and that's why it is means figure of speech is repetition. Means when there is a word repetition, that time this figure of speech is repetition. Like this way, these are the poetic devices in this poem. Okay. Now see beside questions. What is the poet thankful for? Poet is thankful for his unconquerable soul. Poet is thankful for his unconquerable soul. Okay. Next is which line shows that the poet has suffered his hardship bravely? Which line? Means my head is bloody. My head is bloody but unbowed. My head is bloody but unbowed. Means that tells us about the he suffered means bravely. He suffered his hardship bravely. What is meant by the place of wrath and fears? What is meant by place of wrath and fears? Place of anger and sadness. Place of anger and sadness. Okay. Next is what does the poet have full control over? What does the poet full control over? Means poet here full control over his fate, his soul and his life. Means poet have full control over his fate, over his soul and over his life. Okay, over his life. Means after the loss of his legs also he was means full control over his life. Okay. Means you have to write this beside question and these hard words in your notebook. Now English workshop. Choose the correct option. Out of that night covers me black as the peat from pole to pole. Means here is given some option which is correct. For that we have to write which is the correct option for that. See here, the circumstances are as bad as they can be with nothing to hope for any corner. Okay, any corner, it is the answer. Next, in the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Answer is, I have not expressed my grief even when I had to suffer great pain. Next is, it is easy, you have to find it, but see, under the beginning of chance, my head is bloody. Means I have suffered many setbacks and losses where there was no reason. Next, and at the meanness of the year, find me up afraid. Means answer is, even though I am growing old, I am not and shall not be afraid. Next is, how charged with punishment the scroll. Means I take responsibility. No, see, I may have to pay for many of my mistakes. I have to pay for many of my mistakes. I am the master of my fate. I take responsibility for everything that happens in my life. And next, I am the captain of my soul. My actions are the result of my own feeling. My actions are the result of my own feelings. Okay, like this way, these are the answer of this question. And write the rhyme scheme of the poem. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? See everyone. See, these words are, out of the night that covers me, black as the peat from pole to pole, thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. Me and B, means these words are rhyme with each other, means A. And pole and soul, these words also rhyme with each other, means B. Means rhyming scheme of the poem is AB. Okay, AB. Like this way, this poem. Yeah. Okay, everyone write this English means exercise in your notebook. Okay, if you have any difficulties, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.